guys, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a little garden update today. I did film all of this, but I looked back and I actually hadn't pressed record, so you are seeing this halfway through. So as you can see, I've dug up this banana plant. I've actually left 3 pups on this one, so that one and the little one at the back, because I wanted a little clump there. I have just potted up these 2 pups, so I'm probably going to bring these inside in the warm so the roots can start to grow a little bit more, and then once we get some real nice weather and the root system's a little bit more established, I will probably either sell these or put these out the front. Oh, and I'm featuring my new nails. They had to have a little cameo in this video. They're definitely looking a lot better than the other ones did. So since I've moved the basjoos, I've actually disturbed this fascia. Now there's not going to be any shade for it. I might move this as well. The robusta's looking all tatty, and like I said in my last video, and if you haven't checked that already, I will link it up here. So I watched a couple of videos, like I said, that said if you over prune these, it will promote upwards growth. So I'm going to try it because these all look tatty. So I'm going to take off all but, I'd say, 3 fronds on each palm, and then we'll start off with 3, and then by the end of the season I'll count them and see how many fronds we have got. So I'll do that, and I'll cut back to my butchered palms. Here they are. How sad do they look? I know a lot of people are probably screaming at me through the screen now, saying, why on earth have you done that? So what I've done is, on each palm, I've left a fully emerged leaf and a new emerging frond on each one. So each one's got one of these and one appearing. So to start the season, we will say that they've got 1.5 leaves each, and then we will count them at the end of the season and see how they are doing. So on my ones at the front, if you've been watching, if you tune into my channel already, you know that I've got 2 other robustas out the front of my house. So what I'm going to do with those ones, I'm just going to trim off the excess, just the damaged leaves. I'm not going to do what I've done to these ones, and I'm just going to see the comparison and which one actually grows more. So this is how far I've got at the moment. So I've put the bananas in, I've raked over the ground, pulled it up to the new stones. Need to just figure this little bit out again. So I've cleared around the Canary Island date palm. Just trying to de-weed this bit. I'm going to de-weed that bit. I'm thinking of putting the Chamaerops there, but I'm not sure. Not sure at all. And I'm still umming and ahhing where to put this insetti. Obviously I'm not planting it yet. I wanted it to begin with a bit further back towards the basjoos, but I'm really not too sure now. But that fascia's definitely got to go. I've made my mind up. I'm moving this to another part of the garden. Not quite sure yet. But yeah, I'm definitely making progress. So I'm excited to see what this looks like when it's all done. To add that, I have trimmed up the rose bush. I've trimmed up the whatever that is. So yeah, it's now 5 o'clock. I have now planted my angel wings, my Chamaerops. I have moved the fascia from here, put it over there. I'm trying to think ahead when the bigger, so obviously this will grow up into sort of a tree. So I want the height at the back. The Chamaerops is quite slow growing, so I know that that's going to stay more bushy. And this has been out all winter, so I know it's hardy, so I thought I could plant that now. It's definitely starting to look like a garden again. So excited. I'm really happy with how it's going. So it's now 6 o'clock, so I have finished for the day. I've tried to de-weed as much of this as I could. Just added a bit more soil on top. Just tidied up the borders. My nails look absolutely disgusting. So I've tidied up around here, I've cut the grass back in so it's nice and sharp. This still needs doing, but tomorrow I'm going to primarily sort this bit out. Sorry for my breathlessness, I'm not very well today. But yeah, so that's my job for tomorrow, to de-weed that, turn it all over and do that. So I will come out of zoomed out mode and just give you a little tour of what I've done. That's better, it's a little bit more zoomed in. So I still need a bit of weeding and stuff to do. I'm thinking about putting that fascia behind the banana, but that'll be a tomorrow job. The Chamaerops looks so good in the ground, and I definitely like that fascia behind there. My sorry looking Washingtonias, but yeah, for someone that's not very well, I think I've done an absolutely amazing job today. I'm so chuffed. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and tune back into the channel in the next couple of days to see more updates, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.